Good morning, Miranda.
Good morning, Marco. Wow, the weather is amazing today. Yes, it's sunny and warm. Look at the sky, so blue. I love days like this. It makes me want to stay outside all day.
Me too. I had breakfast on my balcony this morning. The sun felt so nice.
That sounds perfect. I had my coffee by the window and watched the birds.
Nice. Do you usually wake up early?
Not really, but today I did because the sun came into my room. What about you?
I'm usually an early bird. I like the quiet mornings.
So, how's the weather usually here? I'm still new, you know.
Well, spring is nice, warm but not too hot. Summer can be hot, but not like Rome. Autumn is beautiful. Lots of leaves fall and the air is cool. Winter is not too cold, but sometimes it rains a lot.
That's good to know. In Toronto, we have long winters. Lots of snow and freezing temperatures.
Wow. Do you like snow?
Like the first snow. It's beautiful and magical, but after a few days, not so much.
I understand. I saw snow once when I was a child. I was so excited.
Maybe you'll see snow again this year. Who knows?
Maybe, but for now, I'll enjoy the sunshine.
Yes. Do you think it'll stay sunny today?
I think so. I checked the weather app. It said sunny all day, no clouds.
That's perfect. I want to go for a long walk later.
Where do you like to walk?
I like the path behind the library. It's quiet and has lots of trees.
Oh, I know that one. Sometimes I read a book on the bench there. It's peaceful.
Yes, it's a good place to relax. What do you do on rainy days?
On rainy days, I stay inside, watch movies, and make tea. What about you?
I do the same. Sometimes I listen to music or call my family.
Rainy days are for resting, I think. But sunny days, they are for doing things.
That's true. Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, there's a small beach 30 minutes away. It's perfect when it's hot.
We should go sometime. Maybe next weekend if it stays sunny.
I'd love that. I can bring snacks. Do you like swimming?
Yes, but I'm not a great swimmer. I mostly just float and enjoy the water.
Same here. I like to sit, relax, and enjoy the breeze.
So, weather really changes how we feel, doesn't it?
Yes, sunny days give me energy. Rainy days make me calm.
Me too. But snow? Snow makes me feel like a kid again.
I hope we get snow this winter then.
I hope so too. Okay, Marco, I'm going for a walk now before the sun gets too strong.
Good idea. Want to meet for ice cream later?
That sounds perfect. Let's meet at 3 p.m.
Deal. See you soon, Miranda.
See you, Marco.